ma'am.
We got a package for you.
Watkins, make big money now. Can't wait to make big money.
I was looking for a company to invest in, one with strong growth potential.
I'm fantasizing for my...
What in the... Oh my god! Oh my god!
Hey Steve, Dan here.
Hey, Dan. All right.
Say, I'm on my way in and I've got a very busy day ahead, so can you make sure no one is parked in my spot? Oh, shit. I gotta go.
Dan, there you are. The president from Watkins called. He needs to talk to you right away. He left a voicemail message for you. He's really mad. You gotta call him right away.
1, 2, 3. 4.
3 to X. You have 2 messages. 2 are new.
Dan, this is Vic, and I'm telling you one last time that if you guys beat up my machines anymore, there's gonna be hell to pay. And I won't take it lying down, so you better be careful.
Message deleted.
People, this is Frank Booth from Watkins. One of our best clients is in the hospital this morning suffering from a massive heart attack after viewing one of your dubs. Call me.
We need to talk about some serious problems that are going on around here. Sample tapes are not getting to the right clients. Machines are mysteriously breaking down. And I just got off the phone with President Watkins and we lost the account. You, as the department heads, are responsible for getting to the bottom of this. I want it done, and I want it done now. We don't win awards like this running a company like that.
So good.
Uh-huh.
I think I have polio.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, but actually, it feels more like smallpox.
Uh-huh.
Well, you know that Gulf War syndrome is going around.
Uh-huh.
Well, whatever it is, I don't know, but I'll be in at 11.
Alrighty. Rick says he'll be in at 11.
Oh, that's a good one. Slays me.
Hey, Rick,
Hi, sandwich lovers. I'm Dave Thomas, founder of Wendy's. For the past few months, I've traveled the world over looking for just the right cheese, the ultimate cheese for the ultimate sandwich. I couldn't find it, so I had to make it, and I finally found the right formulation, and we've introduced it in the ultimate sandwich, the Danwich.
We took your basic burger and just laid on the cheese. Then, after blowing smoke on it for 20 minutes. We jam it between two tiny buns. Kiss it goodbye.
And for those of you looking for a real aorta blocker, we offer the Danwich Combo.
The Danwich, plus 4 cups of piping hot coffee with 2 packs of cigarettes and matches to go.
That's cheesy.
Message deleted. Yeah, Dan, Justin here. Listen about that 3M deal. Message deleted. You have 0 messages pressed.
Hi, this is Sherry.
Sherry, this is Les Spiegel.
Hello, Les. What do you need this time?
Just checking to see what's going on with those Mentor tapes.
Yeah, Jerome was working on those. I'll put you on hold and check with him. Jerome?
Yeah, sure.
That little shit's on the phone again.
Yeah.
We're working on those right now.
In the United States, over 10 million men are impotent. The response and touch impotence management systems, when used properly, provide a safe and effective method of obtaining an erection satisfactory for intercourse. It's important to note that for the response or touch to work properly, you must have the desire to be sexually
I'd say
active
about,
and commit the effort.
About 3.
Thanks, Jerome. Les, they'll be done by 3.
In a garden of Peter, honey, don't you know that I'm loving you? In a garden of Peter, baby, don't you know that I'll always be true?
Look, Conrad, Dan is really pissed off, and my job is on the line.
Why is that?
Because the machines are going down, production is falling behind schedule. I think someone is sabotaging the equipment.
Why would anyone want to do something like that?
I don't know, but tonight I'm gonna stake out the warehouse and catch that son of a bitch.
Send that Miller-Meester sample yet?
Yeah, we're sending it right now.
Fire!
Not again.
Come on out, coward, and pay your bill.
Oh man, they sent the wrong tape again.
9.
Seen the packaging crew around?
Nah, man, but it's about 3 o'clock. They're probably back in the break room.
Figures.
My mama talking to me, trying to tell me how to live. But I don't listen to her, cause my head is like a sieve.
Pretty good. What the hell is... I guess people eat that. Yeah. Comes with a bite in it. Why not?
Oh, God!
Hey, buddy, have you seen Kurt?
Yeah, I think he's in choking the chicken.
Yuck. Ugh.
That's $17, ma'am.
$17? That's highway robbery.
We're gonna need some change. Mr. People won't allow us to have more than $20 on the lot.
Hey, what's Kurt doing here in a Sunday den? So you've been doing all the tampering?
Yes, and I would have gotten away with it if it hadn't been for you meddling kids.
What you want, what you want, what you gonna do when Sheriff John Brown come for you? Tell me what you wanna do, what you gonna do. Alright, get it. Bad boys, what you gonna do, what you gonna do?
You ought to be arrested for parking guys pricelessly charged.
What you gonna do? What you gonna do when they come for you? When you were 8 and you had bad traits, you go to school and learn to follow them
Barney, what are you doing here in Japan?